How to use songs to support bilingual language development. The goal is not just to sing the song. The important part is how you interact with your child while singing it. Hi, I'm Farnaz. I'm a non-native English speaking mom raising my children bilingually. If you're interested in doing the same, I'm here to help you on your journey. Don't just play the song. The song by itself isn't going to make your child bilingual. What makes it powerful is parent-child interaction instead of simply playing the video. It's a banana. Grab the banana. Grab the banana. Cut the banana. Cut the banana. Peel the banana. Peel the banana. Eat the banana. Eat the banana. Share the banana. Share the banana. No more banana. No more banana. And letting your child watch, sing the song yourself, and do the activity together. Are you ready to wash our hands? Let's do it together. Raise your arms. Hands up. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands early in the morning. It's your look. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face early in the morning. Pause and give your child a chance. This is a very important part. For example, this is the way we then pause, look at your child, and wait. If your child doesn't say the word, that is completely okay. You can say, brush your teeth. You are giving your child an opportunity to participate in the interaction. Ask very simple questions. For a 1-year-old, your questions don't need to be complicated. Where is your shoes? For example, where is your toothbrush? Or can you show me your toothbrush? If your child simply points, that's still a meaningful communicative response. Repeat the keywords. For example, during hand washing, you can say wash, wash your hands, or water, or wash, wash, wash. You don't need to introduce new words or sentences every time. For young children, natural and frequent repetition is very helpful. This turns a simple nursery rhyme into an opportunity for real bilingual interaction.